Hi guys, Nicole here. I wanted to share my mock-up for my fortune teller game that I'll be coding out. Really enjoy coding out these games. I had fun with the rock, paper, scissors I did last semester, so this is kind of cool to do something else that we can use in our portfolio. So anyway, so we'll start. So this is I'm not entirely in love with this, so I'll probably change this up a little bit. But basically, I really kind of wanted to go for an out of the box, breaking all of Emily's design rules and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to do something kind of crazy and stunning and weird and visually like insane. So I chose this crazy background with these awesome, amazing, fun Pantone 2019 coordinated colors and color of the year. Anyway, so we're going to start out much like the origami fortune teller. And as we open, I always open left and right. So I'm going to show you some cool features that I'm going to attempt to make this interesting as opposed to just moving left and right or up and down. One of the things that I wanted to do is incorporate some features into that, like here on my project from last semester. Every time you hover over one of these brightly colored words, the picture transitions into your page. So what I wanted to do with to do something a little bit different was incorporate one of these fun transitions into my code that will kind of, instead of moving just left and right or up and down, I wanted to do something kind of cool with this effect when you hover over. I just think it's kind of cool to do something a little bit different. So that's one idea that I had for that. All right, so as you move along, and oh, I'm sorry, I keep going up. So as you move along, then you get to the end of the game, and it has, you will step on a piece of gum as your fortune. So I kind of want to do some kind of cool transition with bringing that in. And it may look something like these guys over here, but anyways, that's kind of some of the inspiration that I have for that. All right, so the details of putting this together. So the fonts I'm going to use are Monsterrat and Barry Aceto. I think that font is really fun, so I thought I'd incorporate it in some way into the project. The colors I'll be using are the Pantone color of the year, along with the four of the coordinating colors that go along with that. I'm sure you guys are probably sick and tired of seeing all these on all my projects, but I really am in love with them. For now, we'll see what happens next year. So this is the last time you'll see them because I graduate in 3 weeks, God willing. So anyways, I hope you have enjoyed my use of those wonderful bright colors that make me so happy. Resources, I'm going to use some code I found on CodePen that kind of helps put some of this together. And then, of course, my previous project of from last semester, which I showed you guys here. This is something that I put together along with my rock, paper, scissors game that I coded out. But this is the CodePen that I found called Fortune Teller. So I thought I'd utilize some of this to see if it's going to work for what I'm wanting. I want to, of course, change it up a bit. It's not going to look like this, but at least maybe some of the some of the features I might be able to use to get the look that I'm going for. But anyways, that's basically it. All right, thanks everyone.